What's up, guys? It's LeetCoder. This is LeetCode 100, same tree. We're given two binary trees, P and Q, and we have to see if they are the same. They're the same if all the nodes have the same value and the trees are structurally identical. This works really well with recursion. All we do is we check if the current node value is the same in both trees, and we check if the node's left child is the same in both trees, and we check if the node's right child is the same in both trees. So first, let's write our base case here. So if not P and not Q, in other words, if both of our nodes are none, we simply return true because they're the same. Now, if we have P and we don't have Q, or we have Q and we don't have P, we return false. And this is the case when one node might have a left child and the other one doesn't, or one node might have a right child and the other one doesn't. Then all we do is we return if P val is equal to Q val, and if the left tree is the same for both, and if the right tree is the same for both. And that's it. In terms of time complexity, we have to check all of the nodes, so it's O of n. In terms of space complexity, we have to call the isSameTree function n times, so that's also O of n, because in recursion, we put things onto a stack. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and a subscribe because it really helps the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you next time.